Gold prices, they're currently $20 away from breaking out to all-time record highs. Palladium, it's back above 940 US dollars per ounce. This time last week when we were talking you through massive opportunities on palladium, it broke all the way down towards 813 US dollars per ounce. You've already seen over 1,200 breakout just within the matter of 1 week. Oil prices, last week they broke down to 81 and 82 US dollars per barrel. As you know, alongside half a dozen positions on palladium, we were also able to get into just under a dozen positions as well on crude oil. Since then, oil prices, they've broken back above 80 US dollars per barrel. Platinum, from our 925 entry, it's currently up 450 points with platinum prices. They've just broken out to $970 per ounce. Silver has now got back above $28.50 per ounce. All of this, of course, with next week's Jackson Hole Symposium, where we'll be hearing from Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve. And now we are seeing 100% probability of an interest rate cut into that September Federal Reserve FOMC statement. And now we're seeing an 80% probability of further rate cuts into November and December FOMC statement. So all of this is, of course, off the back of one of the biggest meltdowns that we've seen for the stock market since the pandemic, with over 3 trillion of capital wiped off the markets, which was nothing more than a massive opportunity for you to capitalize, swoop in and get an absolute gift and a bargain with multiple commodities, including crude oil, including palladium and platinum, all breaking back down towards their swing lows. In fact, palladium prices, they broke down to the lowest level since 2018. And we saw, of course, crude oil prices, they broke back down towards the June lows here of 71 US dollars per barrel. The last time we saw the prices that low was just before the OPEC meeting in the month of June, which then saw oil prices, they broke out over $10 within the matter of 3 weeks. We've seen the same process yet again, rinse and repeat. As Goldman Sachs have been stating this year, we are now in the golden age of trading. If all you're doing is buying and holding in these markets, you are giving back a tremendous amount of profit. All you need to be doing here, very simply, is of course buying low, buying as low as possible, and then selling high, rinse and repeat throughout the year, and you are going to absolutely crush it. Now, alongside that, we've got a lot of bullish tailwinds coming up as we get towards the end of the month, and then the September, October, November, and December playbook is very straightforward. One of the busiest times of the year here at the Gold and Silver Club. There's going to be back-to-back opportunities for you to capitalize on into the last quarter of the year, which again, this can be one of the most profitable times of the year for commodity traders that you definitely do not want to miss out on. For us, throughout the remainder of August here, our game plan right now is to continue to scale out of more profit here on our palladium longs, on our oil longs, on platinum, which is just right now surging on the day. It's up almost 3% currently, breaking out towards 970 US dollars per ounce. Gold, of course, as you know, and silver, we've got our trophy trades on. I'm looking to start scaling out of our core position on gold on a break back above all-time record highs. And of course on silver, if we do get that break back towards the price swing highs, very simply, I'm looking to bank further windfall amount of profit in the portfolio. As you know, with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, we've already banked over 5,000 points profit just in the last week alone. So of course, you know that calculation. Every one lot contract you be trading, that's $50,000 of profit. If you've also stacked into the positions where we've taken the opportunity to really double down on the recent sell-off, then of course every 10 lot contract you'll be trading, that's over $500,000 of profit just for the month of August so far. This of course comes down to utilizing a professional research-driven approach to the market, where you want to be utilizing data, statistics, AI-driven market intelligence. Further compound that as well with a daily, monthly, weekly, quarterly, real-time data-driven cycle for each commodity. Then of course learn and understand the capital flows in the markets, how the hedge funds, money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. Further compound that as well with the geopolitics, the fundamentals, the macroeconomics, then of course the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, combined with an AI data-driven research approach. This is all going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional, research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.